learned about points, lines and planes. Next we are going to learn two very important terms. Those are axioms and the next is theorems. Alright. Now what is an axiom? An axiom is nothing but a fact. Rather, it is an universal fact. Universal fact means something which is true across the universe. Alright. For example, let's say 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Right? It's a fact. Right? Now what is the theorem on the other side? What is the theorem? The theorem is something, again it's a universal fact, but this can be mathematically proved. Alright. So now what is the difference between axioms and theorems? The axioms are universal facts. Theorems are also universal facts. However, you cannot prove the axioms. There is no mathematical proof for the axiom. For example, obviously we all know that 1 plus 1 is 2, but there is no mathematical proof. You can't prove that, right? It's so obvious. However, on the other side, theorems are also universal facts, but they can be mathematically proved, right? For example, I'll give you the simplest example. Simplest example of a triangle ABC. Now, what is the sum of all the angles in a triangle? You all are aware of this. So 180 degree, right? So that means angle A plus angle B plus angle C is 180 degree. This can be mathematically proved, right? In the later classes, we will obviously prove this one also. So theorems are facts. Axioms are also facts. Axioms cannot be proved mathematically. This cannot be proved mathematically. Theorems can be proved mathematically. Alright. Now there is another term here that you need to learn. That is the corollary. Now, corollary is something obvious that can be derived from the theorems. Alright. It is something obvious that can be derived from the theorems. So we all know the sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180 degree. That is a theorem. Now, what is the corollary I can derive from here? For example, let's say I have a right angle triangle and this is 90. Alright. So ABC is a right angle triangle and the angle B is 90. So if angle B is 90, because the sum of all the angles is 180, if B is 90, so your angle A plus angle C is obviously 90. Right? Because angle A plus angle C will be 90, 90 plus 90, sum of all the angles in a triangle is 180, right? So, in a right angle triangle, the sum of the acute angles, A and C are obviously acute, less than 90, sum of the acute angle is 90 degree. This is one corollary that you can derive from this theorem, isn't it? Alright, to sum up, axioms are universal facts that cannot be proved, theorems are universal facts that can be proved mathematically, corollaries are obvious facts that can be derived from the theorems. So, in this class we have learned the definitions of these three terms. In the next video, we are going to learn about types of lines.